One day, a man noticed that a little groundhog had been following him and persistently trying to climb into his car. Curious and a little amused, he decided to take it home, not realizing that this little creature would become an important part of his life. He prepared a cozy space just for the groundhog. The groundhog seemed instantly excited and quickly adapted. What surprised him most was how attached the little guy became to him. Every time he appeared, the groundhog would cling to him like a baby, longing to be close to him. He cooked delicious meals for the groundhog every day, took it to the beach to dig in the sand, gave it a warm bath, gave it a massage, and even carefully trimmed its nails. He treated the groundhog like a beloved family member. On its birthday, he even bought a cake to celebrate. Under his loving care, the groundhog thrived and became healthy, mischievous, and strong. Would you like to have a loving companion who fills your life with joy, purpose, and loads of love?
Welcome to Wonderland, I'll be your